Thank you for joining me. I'm Mr. Ish. I hope everyone's doing well. Today, we have an expression over here that we have to simplify to the greatest extent possible. Granted, this question might be easy for some students, but then it can be difficult for others. For some, it will be a good review. With that in mind, let's proceed. And keep in mind, there is more than one way of showing you how I can solve this. I'm showing you a good way, which is error-free. And you can understand it by means of that perspective. You have to look at everything by means of two fundamental identities. E to the exponent natural log x is always equal to x, and e exponent minus natural log x is equal to 1 over x. But what exactly is our expression? It's e exponent minus natural log of e exponent natural log cosine arc sine x. Now, the way I'm going to show you this particular question is by means of substitution. You see what you're looking at right over here? Let's substitute it. We're looking here at u is equal to e exponent natural log cosine of arc sine x. That's what we have. If I've made this substitution, then what am I looking at? I'm looking at e exponent minus natural log of u, because this u represents all of that which you see over here. When you look at this now, it looks very much like this, and you can utilize that identity and say you are looking at 1 over u. That's what you're looking at. Now bring this substitution back. You are in essence looking at 1 divided by e exponent natural log of cosine arc sine x. Now if you choose to do so, you can do a substitution here. V is equal to cosine of arc sine x. Then by means of this substitution, you're saying in essence we are looking at 1 over e exponent natural log v. And now we look very much like this right here. E exponent natural log x is equal to x, e exponent natural log v is equal to v, so you will end up with 1 over v. Now all we have to do is evaluate v. Cosine of arc sine x you can by means of a right triangle. This right here represents a certain angle theta, arc sine x. X here can be viewed as x over 1. You are looking at everything with regards to the definition of sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, x over 1. This here must be 1 minus x squared. When I'm saying I'm looking at cosine of that angle, cosine of this angle theta must be equal to root 1 minus x squared. That's what it's equal to. This is what I bring right over here, because v is equal to the cosine of that angle. Then our end result must be 1 over v, which is 1 over root 1 minus x squared. And that is our answer to this expression. If you want to rationalize it, you can. I won't. But this right here is our answer. 1 divided by root 1 minus x squared. And it should be right. But you can see I did everything here by means of substitutions, u and v. You don't have to do it this way. I'm just showing you by doing it this way, it'll be more guaranteed in the sense that you won't make a silly mistake. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.